Jezebel, you can't catch her. She don't want to be caught. She's fast.
What is that certain thing that Foxy does that
gets her started? She'll come up to Jezebel and kind of jump at her a little bit, you know? And it's like Jezebel knows it's time to play the game. She does it real subtle. I mean, she just like puts her little paws down and easy. And then she always runs and gets water afterwards. It's like, I'm finished. It's time to get water. She did that the other night. They ran and ran and ran, and she just skid over here to the bowl and got water. It's like, I'm finished now. I don't want to play anymore.